what do you think about this concept, the conclave which we just arranged?
It was quite informative, something new that we have learned here. According to NAP 2020, certain things which we are unaware, we have now come to know regarding it.
We can implement in our classroom system how we can include that inclusive education, how it is all the things which are discussed over here will be helpful for our students.
And we are expecting these kind of seminars once again, ma'am. It's very, very helpful for us.
We expect it should be a full day seminar where we can gain some knowledge and we can interact with students as well.
So what is your major takeaway from here?
Uh, upcoming, especially you can say how to implement inclusive education along with students.
How to implement that, how to find out the students with the special needs and how we can help them out.
How we can deal with these kind of students, ma'am. Actually, we are getting so many knowledge, so much major points actually we are getting from here. So we'll try to get these kind of things with the help of this teacher.
Thank you.